Hey y'all. I know you're looking at this cake thinking I bought it at the store. Well, guess what? I didn't. I made it. Jimmy Dick doesn't normally bake. But look at this. Just look at it. Let me give it a little spin. Spinorama. Look at that. The only thing that makes this thing more perfect is to encase this piece of art in glass. Booyah. So who doesn't love carrot cake? We're going to show you the first step here. I have 3 sticks of butter. And I'm going to start whipping that together with 2 cups of sugar. And we're going to let that go until it gets nice and fluffy. In the meantime, this is 2 cups of flour with 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. We're going to mix the dry together. Every once in a while, you're going to want to scrape down the sides just to make sure that you get all that sugar. Okay, now we're going to start alternating between our 4 eggs and our dry. We're going to put this in slow so that we don't have a flour explosion. So I'm going to do 1 egg at a time. More flour. 1 teaspoon. 1 generous teaspoon. 3 cups of shredded carrots. So my oven is actually at 350. I double checked, thankfully. This is my 2 pans. I buttered them, and then I sprinkled them with sugar. The sugar is going to help them release easier, and it also gives us a little something extra. Voila! In the oven, 25-30 minutes. So we're going to make the frosting. Check it out. I got my fancy scraper on my fancy paddle. Fancy! So now that is 1 8-ounce brick of cream cheese and 1 stick of butter. And to that, I am going to add a teaspoon of vanilla and a pound of confection sugar. Let's do this. Let's add our vanilla. Carrot cake, cream cheese, icing. Is there anything better? People that want to put like other icing literally should be taken out in the field and shot in the head, because that ain't right. That goes against everything I believe in as a human. Lord have mercy, y'all. Can you see that? Is that showing up?
What?
Hush, woman. Lord have mercy. Can you see that? That's smoke coming out of the stove. Mrs. Dick is fit to be tied. Why? Right there you can see it. I'm making smoked cake, evidently. Supposed to use 3 pans, but I only use 2 because I don't know how to bake. Yay! But you know what? I don't care. I'm gonna eat this, and I'm gonna serve it to people, and I'm gonna make them eat it. It's still gonna taste good. I don't care if it's ugly. Nobody ever accused me of being a baker. Well, I wish you'd look at 2 of the ugliest carrot cakes you ever laid your eyes on. But guess what? We're gonna eat them anyway. There's some of my overflow. There's a little more overflow down there. But you know what the good news is? I don't see no fire department up in here, so bam. Once these cool off, wait and see how much I can salvage these bad boys. Might be a little sunken in the middle, but you know what? That'll fill up with icing. Boy howdy. If you thought them cakes were ugly in the pan, check out these babies outside of that pan. I'm gonna have to do a little nip tuck all the way around these little ugly things. Ugly Betties. Alright, we'll see what magic I can do. Welcome back to the nightmare of Jimmy Dick's trying to bake. So let's see what we can do with this bad boy here. I am gonna give this a little trim. That's almost round. And we're gonna try and fill this in. Look at that. Over here is number 2. Let's see if we can't get that in there a little bit. Here we go. Let's get these little leavings. You know what? This is going to be just fine. Nobody's even going to know. Except, well, everybody that watches this video. That's alright. Let's get these up. Look at that. Look at this. It's turning out better than I would have guessed. Okay. Now, it's time to frost this bad boy. Now, here's a tool every professional baker needs. It's called an offset spatula. We're just going to see if I can lightly spread without raising all these up. That's going to be the real chore. I'm just trying to get it level. Now, let's see if I can't get this baby on here. Bam. This thing's going to look better than I would have ever guessed. Look at that. Carrot cake, y'all. Oh, shit. I mean, shoot, I almost dropped the whole thing. Alright, so we got some volunteers here to eat some of my cake from my baking. I hope you weren't scared when we took your vitals beforehand. That's okay.
Yeah.
Hey, honey, did you get the parents to sign the release?
Yes.
Make sure they initial pages 2 and 3. Okay.
Triplicate
Let's-
notarized.
That's right. Go ahead, try it out and see what you think.
Scrumptious.
Are you telling the truth?
It's delicious.
Is it good?
I love it.
What do you think people should do?
Eat it.
Yeah.
I mean, make it too.
And then like subscribe.
Subscribe and like.
If you like,
Yeah.
if you like cooking, you gotta subscribe.
What's
man.
the name?
All right.
What's the name of that channel on YouTube?
It's like-
Jimmy Dick's International.
Oh, yeah,
Yes.
Jimmy.
All right, look at the camera. Say cheese.
Jimmy.
Jimmy Dick's cheese.
Thanks, guys.